Hey, I'm Clive and welcome. I'm happy to say I'm in the bush. First bushwalk. We're almost fully loaded backpack. The only thing missing is a change of clothing and food, because I'm only heading out and heading back in today, making a couple of videos. But instead of doing one at home and one at the local park, I'm doing both out of the camp on the Bilberman track. On a cold morning. I tell you, I've missed this. Just the lack of traffic noise, being able to breathe in some fresh air, and just looking at this instead of looking at streets and houses. Mentally makes a big difference. And before anybody says, I hope you got your heart spray, it's in there just in case. I haven't needed it. Hopefully I'll never need it. I'm just going to enjoy this walk. I'm trying to keep my pace down a bit, but I'm finding that I'm going back to my normal pace, and that point's a little bit quicker actually. So I don't know if that's from the surgery from the heart attack by clearing the artery out and allowing the heart to pump easier, or in with combination of that and the exercises I was given to do, and a few extra which I've added to it, because the ones I was given I was finding too easy. At this point here, I'm normally not able to talk so easy. I'm normally a little bit out of breath because it's an incline, but as you can hear, I'm easily able to talk. I do feel it a little bit, but nowhere near as bad as I used to just before the heart attack. So maybe having a heart attack was a good thing, because I was able to clear the artery out and let me know the arteries are all clear, clean and healthy now. I'm loving this. I am. To the point now where it's a gentle decline and level most of the way. I think there's just a tiny bit of incline, nothing serious. But the majority of it is level-ish. Just bumped into a chap walking out here with his pack on. If you're watching, Mike, it was good to meet you. I always meet some great people out here, you do. He's in a few days out with his mate, who he's just gone to catch up with now. His mate went sick so he headed home to recover, and now they're just catching back up now to carry on walking. Excuse the sniffing, the cold's making my nose run. Yeah, the further I walk into the bush, the better I feel. Look at it, it's just, how can you not feel good in a place like this, eh? And you got the raven, stroke crow, whatever you want to call him, shouting out as we're filming. Yeah, just, the bite off the cold has just disappeared now. So I think by the time we get to campsite, I'll be able to take this top piece off. So I've got 3 layers on at the moment. I've got a merino wool base layer, then I've got, say, a quick dry shirt, and then I've got this Swazi really warm thing on top, which I bought when I was larger, so I think I'm going to have to invest in a smaller one. This is the large, so I think I'm going to have to drop down to the medium or even the small, going by this. It's still toasty warm, ideal for layering. Yeah, it's going nice, feeling good. The pack, which is the 3FUL Gear 2 Tall 35. Yeah, handling great. I never weighed it, but I've got a sleeping bag in there, a extreme sleeping bag liner in there. I've got the tie hang tunnel tent from 3FUL Gear in the pack. I've got all the poles. I've got some 8-inch or 220mm titanium pegs from SilverAnt in the pack, extra on top of the 3FUL Gear 6-inch pegs they send out for the tent. I've got a second pole set and the clips for the poles for the tie hang for the extreme weather conditions. I've got only a small bottle of water because I'm not out for multi-days, so I'll top this up at the shelter from the water tank. What else I've got in there? I've got my electronics in there, I've got my cook kit in there. Like I said, the only thing missing is a change of clothing and crane's turned off. Food, that's it. I'm not going to need food today, it's not staying out all day, just for 3 or 4 hours. That's it. Yeah, I've got all my first aid kit there, I've got my poncho there, got my hygiene kit. I said I've got everything except for the food and a change of clothing. But as you can see, fits nice. Give you a heads up. I have the next one, the 3FUL Gear UE 45, which when you click on it goes over to UE 55 on the way. Yes. If I'm going to do a multi-days, I could make this work. I thought I'll up it to the next one, to the UE, which has got a different harness on it, made for carrying weight to make it more comfortable, and very little heavier than this, only something like 100 grams heavier than this 35. So I'm looking forward to when that turns up, and I'll show you that when that turns up, to show you the features it's got on it. Here's that incline I was on about. Show you the features it's got on it. Yeah, just the basics, go over it, and the same as I do with all the packs, I'll go out and test them in different walks, carrying different weights in different conditions over a matter of hours or a couple of days or overnighter or 3, 4, 5 days. So there's going to be a few videos about that. There's going to be a few more videos about this one too as I go along using it. So I'm not just going to put this or any of the packs I've got, stay packs, just to one side and forget about them. They're all going to get used in these situations they're needed. Isn't that lovely? Feeling good, nearly at the shelter. If you're wondering what shelter I'm heading to, it's the Ball Creek shelter on the Billman track. So if you're heading north to south, this will be your second shelter on your walk. Yeah, no problem walking, feels really good. I'm very, very, very happy with how it's gone. So as you can tell, I'm going down a decline at the moment, and it's a bit pea gravelly, so I don't want to slip and go on my ass. But yeah, I've really enjoyed being out here today. I'm really looking forward to just relaxing at the camp, making the videos I want to make, and take a nice walk back to the car and then head home and do all the editing so I can get it up for you guys to watch. I'll call it. If you've enjoyed this video and you're not already a subscriber, please go down below, click on the like button, thumbs up button, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell next to it and select all so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much.